In the blue underway here, 87 kilogram round of 16. This is Januzajov's first time competing at the Senior World Championships. He was a U23 World Bronze medalist last year, U20 World Champion in 2024. Abasov took 5th at the Senior World Championships in 2023. U23 World Bronze in 2018. Abasov was a U20 World Champion all the way back in 2014.
О мобильдик операторын тандайсың ба? Супер! Переходи на О комбо тарифтерінің линейкасы менен андан дагы мыкты болот. Сага гана маанилисин кор. Акысыз комбо опцияларды бутактыр. Гигабайттарды 2 есе көбөйтүү оңой эле. Wi-Fi таратуу албетте. Яндекс Плюска акысыз жазылуу, тасмалар, музыка, китептер жана таксиге арзандатуулар. Же ар кандай табитке ылайыктуу онлайн кинотеатрлар. Баары акысыз, баары Мой О тиркемесинде, баары сен каалагандай.
Good matchup here. Abasov, Januzajov. Abasov a little more seasoned, but Januzajov, one of the up-and-comers here for Kyrgyzstan. You see, Januzajov has a little bit more length. Abasov, the more stockier wrestler. And it's going to be Abasov getting to work on top. Look for him to go for a gut wrench. The length of Januzajov will make it challenging for him to get a lift going. But Abasov should be able to get to his lock. And Abasov gets to that lock around the waist. Looking to tighten it up and looking for a gut wrench here. Picks the side to go for, but slips down, and no points for Abasov. A minute to go in this first period. Just 35 to go in this first period. Januzajov gets underneath Abasov, runs his feet, and runs Abasov right about out of bounds. So 1-1, Abasov holds the criteria based off the first passivity. Now that criteria will go away should another point go on the board. 1-1 first point score. First point score criteria is only on a 1-1 match. And time is going to run out here in the first. 1-1 your score. Abasov in the lead. Back underway now. Second period. Abasov still holding this lead. Low scoring defensive match here, as is the norm on this level. These are defensive battles, so hard to break through and score points in the Greco-Roman division here at Senior Worlds. So now, passivity call against Abasov, and Janizhov going to get to work on top here. Janizhov looking for a lift as they go towards the edge of the mat. Abasov pushing away on the chin. And that's going to be a caution and 2. So Janizhov going to stay on top here if this is confirmed. Blatant caution there against Abasov. He does avoid giving up 4 points, but it's going to come at the expense of giving up 2 points and staying in parterre position. Abasov moving forward on his belly. Go out of bounds, 4-1. Janizhov wanted a caution with Abasov crawling forward out, but doesn't get it. So they'll go on their feet. A minute 40 to go here in the second period. Abasov needs some points now. Only a minute 10 to go. Abasov gets to a lock. Has Janizhov in the zone. And he goes left and right and gets 2 points on the takedown. And he wants a flea call there from Janizhov, but coach says no challenge. And in fact, they will not. So 50 seconds to go. Abasov needs to find another point here before time expires. Is that 2-point caution going to come back to bite Abasov, or is he going to be able to complete the comeback? We'll find out here with just 20 seconds to go. Janizhov defending in the middle of the mat. Abasov looking for his opening. Pulls the head down in front headlock. Janizhov holds onto the wrist, and Abasov going to concede. So it's Janizhov with the win, and he's moving on to the quarterfinals here at 87 kilograms.